name is Dr. Mpumelelo Ntshangase, and I'm one of the lecturers here at the Department of Early Childhood Care and Education. Today we are having a program of 67 minutes celebrating Mandela, knowing very well that Utata Mandela loved children and he loved education. So Tina, as ECCE, we thought it would be a good idea to invite ECC practitioners from neighboring centers to come here so that we empower them about teaching children, caring for children. And our theme for today is basically looking around play and how play is used as a teaching method, as a teaching strategy for children in early childhood care centers. This is part of our community outreach in commemoration of the 67 minutes that we celebrate in July.
Dr. Nzuza. I'm the interim head of department for ECCE. ECCE means early childhood education and care. As early childhood education and care, we are equipping the practitioners. We are mainly working with the ECD centers. Today, as we commemorate our Tata Mandela's a day or a month, which is our icon, we have invited our practitioners around East London, Mdantsane, and around our areas and even our rural areas to come and hear what are the academics doing in terms of assisting them in their centers under the theme which says 67 minutes of early communication and child play.
My name is Maureen Gongo. I'm from Tanzania. I have my ECD there. I'm a principal there. And I've been teaching for about 20 years. Fortis give us the best practicals, as I can say. Normally what we do, we go and do our level 4, level 5, and then they help us to implement that even much better, because there's a difference between going study ECD and then there's a difference between that and implementing. So they are helping us on how to implement that, and it's also helping a lot to our children. We'd like to thank University of Forte for helping us taking these researches and to our communities, because it helps a lot of our communities. Thank you so much.